Alright, so this is a tour of stateroom 2253 on the Carnival Conquest. When we come in, you have your 2 twin-size beds. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. And pretty cool, pretty cool. It's regular. You have your shampoo and body wash. And yeah, just everything looks nice and clean. Hey guys, hey! And you have your shaver plug up there. I'll open it so you guys can see. There you go. And you have your little makeup mirror. Zoom in and get a good look at yourself. Yeah, all right. So closing up the bathroom door here, and there's your light switch. And let's see, you have your emergency instructions for passengers. You have where your muster drill is and all of that. All right, so let's see, first closet. And this one's nice and big and spacious. Cool. All right, so second one, you have more life jackets. You have 3 there and some more hangers and such, and Vernon already put his bag in there. And then this is the third one. This one is not as wide, but it will make it do what it do for a 3-day cruise. And that's all my junk I just threw in there. And we have a mirror again, so I can show you guys outfit of the day. There is the cooler. You have your new plush towels. These towels are actually really soft. You have your luggage mat, but we don't need this because we are backpacking only. I see a USB there. No USB there. And you have a light switch in the middle with some nice artwork. On the other side, same thing. No USB port. And you have a little cubby hole there. And then here's our main mirror. Let's see, is everything turning on here? Yeah. Slowly but surely, everything's turning on. Then you have your stool, you have your wastebasket. Let's see, this water is for pay. If you are owed a free 1.5 liters of water, you can get that from the bar. Here's your safe there. This one is you just slide to lock and unlock. So this one, it says slide in a credit card. Okay, the other one we had, you make your own code. So, okay, a little different there. You have your television. And let's see who our room attendant is for this 3-day sailing. His name is Wayne. You have your room service menu. You have your QR directory. Celebration key. Yeah, baby. Got the information there. The fun times for today. And you guys know I'll give you that in the videos. Let's see. Cruise director is Robbie Howe. These are if you want laundry. These are your laundry instructions for valet service there. And I probably won't even use these drawers, but there you go. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you guys for watching Misha and More. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.